Hey everybody, this is John Ziemba, and on this video we're going to walk through is the marketing profile in KW Command. This is one of the first things you need to do to get set up with Command and to ensure that it works properly. To get to the marketing profile, simply log into Command at agent.kw.com. Once you're in, click on your name in the top right hand corner, and then we're going to come down and click on Settings. Once we click on Settings, we're brought to the Connected Applications homepage. We're going to scroll over to the left hand side and we're going to click on Connect Settings. When we click on Connect Settings, we get a little drop down and we're going to click on Marketing Profile. Once we click on Marketing Profile, you can go through here and you can edit all the information, and this is usually the default place where most of the information in Command is pulled from when they need it. So number one, we start off with your profile picture. It is recommended that you use a 360 by 360 degree pixel. One of the latest updates now allows us to load a regular size team logo, so you should check that out and see how it looks. And instead of a team logo, if you have a personal logo, you can also use that as well. You're going to want to enter in your name, your first name and last name, and then you're going to want to make sure you add your license number, because while it doesn't show like it's required here, it is required in other areas. You can add your professional job title, which, and again, this will be required in other areas as well. If you have any designations or credentials, you can add it there. For your bio, you should definitely put a bio. If you don't have a bio initially, just make sure you put coming soon so that you have something there for you. You want to add your mobile phone and office phone, and you can do this without adding any dashes because the system will add in the dashes as needed. You're going to want to add in your email and your website. You want to make sure that your website has the HTTPS on here. Otherwise, you're going to get an error in other areas of the system. You can upload your market center or brokerage logo by clicking upload here. And again, this one doesn't have to be in 360 by 360 anymore. You want to make sure your brokerage name is correct here. So some people may have the incorrect brokerage name, may have your city there instead of the actual DBA name. And then we have the market center brokerage office phone number, so we can easily just update that. And then we have the address. It's 2 lines here, and then we have the broker market center license number. You want to make sure you put a value in here because it is required in certain areas. Legal footer, I would just put your name, and then I put myself here as a licensed real estate broker in the state of Illinois with Keller Williams Momentum. If you have specific language that you want to add, you can definitely add that there. The legal footer links, you can come down here. If you're, for example, in Texas, you can simply add a link to the required information. And the legal footer image, you can add legal footer images if in case you want to add things like your designation, the equal housing symbol, and other items are available for you to add. For social media profiles, you want to make sure you include the full URL for the profile, including the HTTPS from the website. At a later time, you can go back and update your Facebook pixel and your Google Analytics ID. And now we can go where your branded KW app link, you want to make sure you have the HTTPS here and that you have no spaces after this. So when you're done, you can simply click Save, and that will have your full marketing profile completed for you.